This video is a beginner step-by-step tutorial on how you can code this exact strategy in NinjaTrader. We will build this automated trading strategy to see if we can find an edge in the futures market. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this one, it's going to be a code and walkthrough on a strategy that Phil suggested on the YouTube in a YouTube comment. And basically all the strategy is for buys when candle when a candle opens below the, I think 8 EMA, closes above 8 EMA, then we go long. So he said with this strategy though, that it does bad when price is consolidating. So we're also going to add a 50 period moving average filter. So the 8 EMA needs to be greater than the 50 EMA, and that should help filter some bad trades out. And then it will be the exact same, or the exact opposite for the sells. So open above the 8 EMA, close below the 8 EMA, 8 EMA less than the 50 EMA, then we go long. So a pretty simple strategy. But this is one that he requested about a week ago, and so yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to go to our Ninjascript editor, go to strategies, new strategy. It's going to be YouTube, close over MA. Yeah, just close over MA. Then properties, or input parameters, we're going to add a stop loss, add a TP, add a slow MA, and then a fast MA. Default will be 50. Default is going to be 8. And stop loss and TP will do default of 10 and 10. Actually, let's do 50 and 50. So now we got that. Let's generate the code and compile. Alright, so now we have our strategy. Let's open up Visual Studio. So next thing, let's open up our strategy that we just created and start writing the logic. So first thing we want to do is create our MAs. So we're going to do EMA. Well, he said EMA, so we'll use the exponential moving averages. So EMA slow and EMA fast. Then on else if state equals state dot data loaded, we're going to create the EMAs. So we're going to do EMA slow equals EMA. Then we can put our period and the time series. We're just using the, so it's EMA. Then we're using then just EMA slow. And we'll add chart indicator EMA slow, and actually we need slow MA. And actually, I've already had plenty of videos with moving averages on this channel. So instead, what we're gonna do is not gonna use the second EMA. So we're only gonna have one EMA, and we're gonna check the ATR and make sure that the ATR is a minimum value before we enter. So we can get rid of the EMA fast. Let's just change the only EMA we have to just EMA. Change some of this, come to here, get rid of the fast EMA. Now this is just called MA period and MA period. Then let's do add the ATR period and ATR period. So just like the moving average, and up here we're going to do ATR, ATR, and then this one also just takes the period. So ATR period, add chart indicator, ATR. So now we have our moving average and our ATR indicators. Next thing we want to do, if current bar is less than bars required to trade, or it's less than the greater value, no, math.max, the greater value of the two periods. So we'll do ATR period and MA period, or that's greater than current bar. Then we return. So that just makes sure we either have enough bars to trade or enough bars to load up our indicators. So next thing we want to do is, if we're in a flat position, then if we close less than the EMA, no, if we open less than the EMA but close greater than it, so if, let's do the open first, if open of the last bar is less than the EMA of the last bar, and close of the last bar is greater than EMA of the last bar, then we would buy, because that makes sure we have this candle. And this only candles like this will do what we're telling this right here. So that's the same thing for the sells. Else if open 0 is greater than EMA 0 and close 0 is less than EMA 0, then here we would sell. So here we will go wow, I can't remember. Enter long. Okay. And then down here we will enter short. So now we have our entries. Next, we need to add our TP and stop loss. So we got this. We need our TP and stop loss, and then we also need to add ATR. So first, let's add the TP and stop loss in state.configure. So we'll do set profit target to calculation mode ticks TP and set stop loss to calculation mode ticks comma SL. So let's compile this. Just Control S if you're using Visual Studio, and see how it comes up on the chart. Come on. Alright. So let's open up the strategy. Add stop loss 50 ATR period. For now, we'll do 15 just so we don't get an error. And then apply OK. And now we need to enable it. Alright, so it looks like it's working. We bought, yep, opened below, closed above, we bought. Let's see here. So we opened above, closed below, so we sold. Stop loss here. Yep, stop loss. So it looks like the strategy is working. But the results are not very good. So let's set our minimum ATR. So the ATR is going to change depending on your time period. So you can't just have a hard-coded one. But so like for the 5-minute, I mean, if you want to filter out here, you would set it, to like maybe 10. But on the 1-minute, it's going to be lower because 10 would filter out everything except right in here. Let's just see. In here, it looks like most things: stop loss, TP, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Yeah, it looks like it's worse in these choppy moments. we can go ahead and add the ATR. So for the ATR, all we do is we take this and compare it to a minimum ATR. So min ATR to trade. Min ATR. We'll change this to a double just in case you want to use 0.5. And then here we can do min ATR equals 5 as default. We can do ATR period equals, I think the default here is 14. 15. Okay. And then here, right before we go to enter long or enter short, we're going to check if the ATR of the last candle is less than the min ATR, then we're just going to return and not enter any trades. So let's compile that. And now our min ATR, actually, yeah, got to remove it since we changed stuff outside of the on-bar update. Add this, min ATR to trade. Yeah, 5 works for this. Let's enable it and apply. So now it filtered out everything in here, all these trades. Now it only took these trades. Even though, to be honest, in this case it looks worse. Check the 5 minutes. Yeah, so not really sure if that helped at all, but yeah, well, let's try adding that other EMA. So we'll do EMA, we'll just name it trend EMA. Right here, trend EMA. No, never mind, we don't need that. We'll do trend EMA period equals 50. Trend EMA equals EMA trend EMA period. Trend EMA period. Then add chart indicator trend EMA. And then we'll come down here, add another parameter, which is going to be trend EMA period, and then change this to trend EMA period. And that should hopefully filter out a couple more trades. Then for buys, we need the EMA 0 to be greater than the trend EMA 0, and EMA 0 to be less than the trend EMA 0 for sells. So we'll go ahead and compile that. And got to remove the strategy again. And test this out. Apply, okay. Did it? Okay. So here's the 8 period, and here's the 50 period. So here we're only taking buys, TP, buys, TP, buy, TP. So that looks like it helped it a lot more. Now we're following the trend for the most part till the trend reverses. And so yeah, that looks like it helped it a good amount actually. Brought it down a little, but you know, quick optimization and should be able to find a profitable strategy for this. So thanks for watching. If you found this valuable at all, please like and subscribe. Let me know any suggestions. I'll be doing a couple more requests for strategies. I think I have maybe one, no, for sure at least one, but I think two more that people are requesting in the Discord that I'll be coding here in the next week or two. And also gonna work on making my videos better. I know they're kind of sucky, but I'm new to this, and hopefully each video is a little bit better. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will also put this code in the Discord once this video is out. So peace.